Hey, what's up, guys? Hopefully, you will be absolutely fine. Actually, I'm going to make a series which will give a clear idea about the pros and cons for teachers who are working on this Qkids platform. And in this series, this video is about one of the benefits which teacher gets on Qkids, and today I am going to talk about the teaching material and about their platform. As a teacher, you know very well that creating teaching material, lesson plans, and other types of plannings are real headache for teachers. And our news is that on this platform of Qkids, teachers are not liable to make any kind of teaching material, any kind of lesson plan. They do not need to do any monthly planning, weekly planning, or even yearly planning. All material, all material is being given by the Qkids team. Your trainer will provide you, just you have to implement. And second thing is that here there are not their material is not in the form of so lengthy lectures or notes. Actually, here mostly teachers are students are kids. They are under 12 year, and Qkids have established a very good gaming environment on which teacher can enjoy by teaching, and students can also enjoy by learning. And this gaming environment is very user friendly, very interesting, and I feel that students do not lose their interest, and they do not feel that we are consuming our time. Actually, they feel that it's fun time. It's an activity, and they are actually playing. They feel that they are actually playing, and it is also good for the teachers. Yes, one thing is that if when you are going to deliver lectures, just make sure that your setup is working fine, connection is established, internet is working fine, and there is no problem in wires, and mouse is working. And also, just you can consume 2 to 3 minutes before starting of the lecture to see what is the material, and then it will be easy for you. It's also feel enjoyment, and they also take part in the lessons in positive manner, and you do not need to push to students to learn anything. And this is a good thing for teachers because they do not need to make any lesson plans. And also, as I said, it is good for students. This gaming environment works very well, and students feel that they are watching some sort of cartoons, or maybe they feel that they are playing cartoons, and they consume this time very happily. And end of lessons, usually students feel very good and highly charged. And hopefully this video will help you to understand about the teaching material and lesson planning on Qkids. And in other videos also I will discuss about other pros, and then I will also discuss that what are the disadvantages for teachers when they are working on this platform. I will again request you to please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you very much.